Attention realtors. Ever had a last-minute showing that felt more like a panic attack than a walk in the park? We know the struggle. Dust bunnies lurking in the corner, streaky windows, and a kitchen that screams, "I need help." Don't worry, TidyTex is here to save the day. As a proud veteran-owned cleaning service based in San Antonio, we specialize in whipping homes into shape for showings, ensuring your listings look their absolute best. Our reliable, professional team is dedicated to helping you close deals faster and with less stress. Need a quick turnaround? We've got you covered. We'll make your homes shine before open houses or buyer visits, so you can focus on what you do best: selling. Here's a tidy tip. For little to no cost, open all the blinds and turn on lights before a showing. A well-lit, inviting space helps buyers feel at home and highlights the property's best features. Ready to elevate your listings and impress potential buyers? Visit our website at TidyTex US or text us at 210-951-8206. Don't miss out. Check the video description for more info and contact us today to schedule your cleaning service. Your next sale is just a tidy away.